What's up everybody, Ryan Suchit here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to share a super quick tip with you, and it's how to set up a monthly spend limit. So for most of you right now, if you wanted to do that, you'd create it as a rule, and you basically say, you know, once spend has been this, turn off and then turn back on the first of the month. And it's kind of a pain to do. But in some accounts, I wish this was on all accounts, they actually have a feature for this. So but basically you'd go tools and settings, and then you'd go under billing to settings, and it bring you to this page, and then just go to settings at the bottom here, and then monthly spend limit. Then you could just turn this on and you can create your monthly spend and click save. So super simple to do and easier than the rules. And some of you may wonder why you would do this. And for me, it's those accounts that have a relatively low budget, therefore the daily budget is low, but the cost per click is really, really high. So you have to kind of artificially increase the budget and for your ads to actually run and get results. And then at a certain point in time in the month, it'll probably just turn itself off. I've had to do this. It's fairly rare, but for some accounts, this is the only way I can get results for them, is by doing this. So that's the reason I'd use this, but it's fairly rare. And for some of you, you may have other reasons. So that's why I just wanted to show you that this does exist in some accounts. Anyways, guys, I hope that helped. If it did, please make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on so you can find your way back. See you in the next video.